IELTS preparation is incomplete without your biology portion, but there are many students who do not have biology as their subject. Well, this is a holy grail video for them because this is biology for the non-biology students. In this video today, I'll be telling you about what are the some major topics that you can do if you also want to get a good rank in your IET as well as your NEST examination. Because let's face it, if you want to go into ISC Bangalore institutes like IIT Madras and IIT Guwahati, you need to appear for your biology section as well. So assuming you're a PCM student and you have good knowledge about your physics, chemistry and mathematics, let's break down your biology section into few further subsections. Now, there are certain things that you need to remember in biology. Firstly, focus on your high weightage or important topics, your conceptual knowledge building topics, then comes your easy chapters, and then are your factual chapters. Now, let me, demarcate these for you. For example, let's talk about your conceptual chapters. Now, there are a lot of chapters that are easy and they require more of concept building rather than just mugging them up. And you get a lot of numericals from here. Now, these are also included in your important chapters. So, your first and second category, they kind of overlap. So, if you look at the important chapters, first you have your genetics unit, which includes your principle of inheritance and variation, which again in some schools, in some boards is taught in your class 9th and 10th as well. And you have molecular biology, that is molecular basis of inheritance. Again, very, very simple, yet a very, very scoring chapter because you get numericals, you get direct questions that are based on concept itself. Second, you have biotechnology. Now, biotechnology is again very simple unit, and it's a very short unit also. You have 2 chapters in biotechnology, they are very, very small, right? Then ecology. Ecology is nothing but the environmental studies that we study in our lower classes. That has been brought up here with a little bit extra knowledge that you can cover very easily. These chapters are very easy and very scoring, and they also are included in your high weightage topic. So every year we get at least 2 to 3 questions from all these chapters. Yes, at least 2 to 3 questions each from these chapters. Next comes your cell biology. Cell biology, the first chapter is cell, the basic unit of life. Now, this chapter is such that it has a lot of facts to remember, but again, it is simple once you understand what is, the various function of different parts of the cell organelles, etc. You would not be in a condition where you have to revisit that chapter again. Then coming to your cell cycle and cell division and biomolecules. Now, biomolecules is an overlapping chapter for both biology and chemistry. So, this would also be again very simple, and every year at least 2-3 questions are asked from biomolecules, be it your IET or your NEST. In NEST, if you calculate from 2018 to 2025, there are total of 22 questions that have been asked alone from biomolecules chapter itself. Now, coming to your cell cycle and cell division, it is hardly 2 to 3 pages long chapter, and it is very simple, and these questions actually get interlinked with various chapters and are asked in your IET and NEST examination. So this completes your important chapters. Now, coming to your factual chapters. Now, these chapters are a little lengthy. You have to remember a lot of information here, but they are very, very scoring. And plant physiology, whatever questions are asked, they are direct questions, and you also get numericals. In numericals, you just simply have to apply unitary method. Plant physiology also, in your IIT NEST, you get at least 2 to 3 questions that are asked every year. Now, coming to your reproduction unit. In reproduction, the first chapter, that is sexual reproduction in flowering plants, every year since 2017, one question has been asked from this chapter. Reproductive health and your human reproduction. Now, these are very simple and basic general knowledge type of chapters. And once you prepare them, trust me, your major portion of biology will be done. If you can cover these chapters well, your facts, your conceptual knowledge, your numerical part will all be done. And trust me, you can easily score, biology, in biology section, you can easily score up to 25 to 35 marks in your IIT exam. Yes, you also need a lot of practice. You also need question practices, PYQ practice. You can do one thing. You can actually, do PYQ from these chapters first. Once you complete these chapters well enough, then you can move forward, because trust me, if you want help, you can also take our IIT mock books, because in your JEE 2025 a question was directly asked from that book, and whatever mocks we provide, whatever questions we give, many times, students have said that, your exam paper was somewhat similar, the questions were somewhat similar from the similar domain. Now, if you're also preparing for your IIT and NEST exam in 2026 and you want to cover any backlog, or you want any concept clarity, or you want to study everything from scratch in these 1.5 months, then you can go to ScienceStar website and you can check out the crash course. We have an IIT NEST personalized crash course, which is generally made for students who want more one-on-one attention. We have your IIT and NEST combo crash course, where you will be preparing for both IIT and NEST, and we also have NEST and IIT individual crash courses. Now you can check out all the features that are there in these crash courses on the website itself, because we have already covered everything from scratch to advanced, and you'll be getting DPPs, question practices, and a lot more things. So do not waste any further time. Go to the website, enroll in the crash course, and reach your dream institute this year itself. Now, if you have any queries, any suggestions, any dilemma, leave them in the comment section below. You want to contact us directly, no worries, we have you covered. You can find our support team's details mentioned in the pinned comment below. So all the best, please stay hydrated, sleep well, and all the best for your preparations. Any problem, anything you face at any point of time, just leave it in the comment and we are here for you always. All the best. See you in your dream institute.